Are those kinky boots?
Hey, she's getting a brand new pair of them free of charge because she complained. She is.
Yeah.
And they paid no mention to her sending them back. No.
Did you feel that then, Steve?
Yes. £40 and 31 pence to full off 59 mile range, 54 mile range.
This is showing a range of 350 at the minute, but obviously it'll change once we get going.
Yeah.
But I didn't fill it, I only put 3 gallon in it.
Right.
Hang on. Sugar,
What?
say that again. You get a range of what?
I can get over 400 mile on the tank.
Oh, hang on, yours is an adventure.
Yeah, it's a big boy's bike.
Oh, fuck off.
Yeah, mine's showing a range of 350 as well.
Look how much space you've got between your belly and your tank. You can get a bit fatter there. You can become a proper GS rider then. What's going on here? Are we ready?
Hang on, I'm just switching the screen on.
Screen on.
So I hope you're switching the back on.
I'm happy.
Well, I remember Bruce saying there's no need for an adventure because, yeah, you want the range, but you're going to have to stop before you're out of fuel anyway, aren't you?
Yeah.
This route now is purely Calimoto.
Okay. Oh.
This is the
That was the thing as well.
arse end of Darwen, this.
The arse end of Darwen. Seem to recall you said that before.
The arse end of somewhere.
That focus wasn't stopping.
No.
If you think about it, Stu, we're always in the arse end of somewhere.
What time is it? 10 past 2.
Yeah.
10 past 2.
Yeah.
Snazzy
18
looking
degrees.
bus.
Yeah, I'm just thinking what time either Bridge 64 closes or Bruins Rock. I think it's 4 o'clock on both. In fact, I think Bridge 64 is open anyway, but Bruins Rock it closes at 4, I think.
Oh.
Come on, lights.
I heard you.
Oh God, yeah.
Oh.
I'll tell you what, I still can't get used to using that, is it gear shift assist or something?
Or the quick shifter.
Yeah. I use it occasionally, but it just doesn't seem right, you know what I mean?
I've just dropped down from 4th to 2nd and it was seamless. Didn't even notice it.
Right.
But I'm 100% off the throttle and I'm already on the brakes because we're coming downhill. Changing down, it is a case of you really do have to think about when you're going to press that gear shift.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it crunches like, or it just doesn't change. Well, considering we went into Bowker for you, I wasn't even thinking about getting a bike.
No.
Now I have. I don't regret it in the fucking lightest. I really
I'm
don't.
glad about that.
This bike is so much.
I find it absolutely phenomenal how such a big bike can be easily ridden and chucked around and
Yeah,
you
it's
know.
so agile, isn't it?
yeah. We'll go left at the top, left at the end.
Okay.
Okay. But it's just the way it's situated. It's just, I don't know. They've definitely got it right. However they've done it, the way they've positioned the engine and the frame and the chassis,
Yeah.
it just works. There was a guy we were having a coffee. There's
Where is it?
a little trailer that we go to out on the seafront,
Yeah.
and a couple had parked up, and he said to me, he said, "Have you got a separate switch on the left and right switch gear for your indicator?"
The old BMWs had it.
Well, his has, and he said it takes me fucking forever to remember to turn the right one off,
Yeah.
and he's wondering whether they could change it and have it switched so it's just on the left switch gear.
Because it wasn't a very old bike, was it?
No, he said it was just 2 years, in 17 and 19.
Right. I know a mate of mine, he has the
I just got gravelled.
Yeah.
I think it's the K13 or K1200 RS or something like that.
Yeah.
And his indicators are on each side.
Yeah. My old MZ was. I had an MZ 175 when I was in my teens, and that was the same. It had a separate switch for each. But the difference, like ours, you put it on and the button itself returns back to the centre, doesn't it? For you to cancel it, you press it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whereas on my MZ, no, it was an actual slide switch. You used to have to return it back to the position, to the off position. You push it on, and you manually turned it off.
Yeah.
That was,
it slid across and fucking stayed there.
Watch the
I
loose
think that was the
chippings
same
here.
with the RD, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. Yeah, the RDs are the same.
Yeah. Because I couldn't work out, why bloody hell is this indicator not working right?
Yeah, you're trying to press it.
Oh, that was a bit crappy, wasn't it?
Oh, beautiful. That's what you stand up for, Stu.
Always said you'd go up in the world.
Yeah, that's the other thing I put on mine, thinking about it. I know it sounds an odd way of rolling into it, but talking about rubbing on things, I put a fucking tank protector on that I got from Tim.
Yeah.
An actual BMW, my tank protector I bought from Tim.
Yeah, but I noticed you've
only
not
a
put the
tenner.
side protectors on, have you?
No, I haven't got side protectors, no.
I think I got my tank protector in front of me and the two
Can you
sides.
see that bloody scenery? Wow.
So you wouldn't see that on your sport bike.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I think this was only about 25 quid for the tank and the two side pads.
Right, so you've got protector. I never noticed where your knees go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't notice. I hadn't thought about that, to be fair.
See, if I go to knees, they'd have to be clear.
Yeah, I know,
Otherwise,
sorry.
I'm covering it. If I get any tank protectors, they would have to be clear. Otherwise, I'm hiding half my graphics.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
get
because
it.
the side of your tank's blue.
Yeah. With all the numbering.
Yeah. But the side of mine's just plain white with
Yours is plain white. Yeah.
the GS embossed into it,
Yeah, same as mine.
or
Mine's got-
imprinted into it, if you like.
Yeah. But I think even the blue would look alright with the black side protectors.
Ow.
Lovely, innit? Lovely.
Wow.
Certainly getting a balance on this bike, because I've just caught up to the back of you, love, and I was in second. I tried to drop it down and ended up in neutral, even coming uphill, and I stood up. I still felt comfortable enough to clutch back in and drop it down into first. I've definitely got the confidence standing up on this now, or I'm getting better. That view is bloody gorgeous. I need to get my inner fucking cameras set back up on this bike.
Yep.
This
I'll have
is,
to have a look at how Teapot fitted it.
Yeah.
like I said to you, this is just a purely Kalimoto route.
Yeah.
I could deviate off it, and go my way, but I thought, let's give it a go.
With regards to Kalimoto, Stu, is it like a sat-nav? If you deviate off the route that it sets, does it re-navigate like Google Maps does?
Yes. Yeah.
Right, okay.
If you've got waypoint sets, it'll try and direct you back to that waypoint that you've missed until
You haven't set waypoints, does it still
if
get
you've
you
not,
back onto some kind of a route?
yeah. If you've not set waypoint, if you've
So you're just doing like a round trip?
yeah. Look at the viaduct in front of us.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's gorgeous. To remember to turn the fucking bars, and I just look forward and what's the corner there?
Oh, wow.
That's bloody gorgeous.
Oh.
This is nice, isn't it, up here? And I'm guessing you're going to recognise where we are in a minute. Do you remember when we did that ride and Luke was with us when we'd been up Pendle Hill
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
and we dropped back into Whalley and we did that left turn, which was effectively going back on ourselves.
Oh God, that left turn
Yeah.
with a transit van in front of me.
That's it, that
Yeah.
dangerous one. Well, we're going to join that road, not the road where we did the left turn. We're going to join the road that we turned off to do that left turn.
All right.
Okay.
And this is the road that initially we were going to come up, but I missed it.
Ah.
But I think it's better coming down here, because going up it you wouldn't see that viaduct.
Oh.
No.
Wow.
See, whereas
I love
you
my
two-
brakes.
I was going to say, whereas you two have come down on your brakes, I've come down this in first gear.
I've come
on
down
a-
in. I've come down in second. I've used my brakes every now and then just to slow it down a bit.
Yeah, we're going right here.
Because I've come down in first and just listening to it popping.